Picture this, it's 3 p.m. on a Tuesday. The office is dragging, everyone's staring at the clock. In the break room, your vending machine hums away. It's just a metal box, but it's your employee. Never late, never sick. You check your phone. The app pings. Someone bought chips. Cha-ching. A soda. Cha-ching. A candy bar. Cha-ching. By bedtime, that one machine has made you $250. Clean, passive income. That's more than some folks make in a whole day of hard work. And what did you do today? Nothing. You stocked it last week? Now you're just watching the money roll in. This isn't a fantasy or a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a real business, changing lives one snack at a time. This is the power of passive income. Your machine works 24/7, even while you sleep. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain to show you how you can get a piece of this action. Your first $250 day could be closer than you think. Let's get started. When you think about starting a business, you probably picture a restaurant, a store, or an online hustle. Big risks, big money, big headaches. But what if there's a business hiding in plain sight? One that's booming, growing every year, and begging for new people. I'm talking about vending machines, a multi-billion-dollar industry. Why? Because we crave convenience. We want snacks and drinks now, not later. You're not just selling chips, you're selling instant satisfaction. You're your own boss, set your hours. Start with one machine, grow at your pace. No fancy degree, no huge startup costs, just hustle and common sense. This is the ultimate side hustle that can become your main gig. It's a safety net, a path to financial freedom, and it's accessible to anyone. Next time you see a vending machine, see it for what it is, a box of opportunity. It's a silent moneymaker, and it could be yours. The vending business is simple, scalable, and proven. Are you ready to claim your corner? Let's see how real people are doing it. Maybe you're thinking, is this really for regular folks like me? Let me tell you about David from Ohio. David was a janitor, tired of living paycheck to paycheck. He noticed the vending machines at work and decided to try it himself. He saved up, bought a used machine, and placed it in a small office building. Stocked it with chips, sodas, candy bars. First month, a couple of $100 profit. Not life-changing, but proof it works. He reinvested, bought more machines, learned what sold best, and fixed them himself. Within 2 years, he had over 20 machines around town, offices, repair shops, community centers. He was making more from vending than his full-time job. He quit his janitor job and became his own boss. Last I heard, David was clearing over $50,000 a year in profit, working fewer hours, spending more time with family. He takes vacations, pays bills with ease, and enjoys real freedom. David's story isn't unique. All over the country, people are building vending routes. Teachers, truck drivers, retirees. They start small, work smart, and build freedom one quarter at a time. If they can do it, why not you? The vending dream is real. Let's break down why these machines still work. Why do vending machines still work in a world of coffee shops and delivery apps? It's all about psychology. 3 forces: instant gratification, impulse buying, and location. We want snacks now, not in 20 minutes. Vending machines deliver in seconds. That instant reward keeps people coming back. Impulse buys happen when people are bored or waiting. At the DMV, the mechanic, the bus stop. The machine turns downtime into dollars. But the real secret? Location. A vending machine in the right spot is a monopoly. If you're the only snack source in a busy building, you own that market. People pay for convenience, every time. The best locations are where people work, wait, or gather. You're not just placing a machine, you're opening a 24/7 mini store. That's why vending is still genius. Understand these forces, and you'll see why this business is bulletproof. Forget those old, clunky machines from your school days. Today's vending machines are smart, versatile, and profitable. Traditional snack and drink machines are still the backbone, but now they take cards, mobile payments, and track sales remotely. Cashless payments can boost sales by 20 to 30% overnight. Specialty vending is exploding. Protein shakes at gyms, laundry supplies in apartments, phone chargers at airports, even fresh salads and hot pizza. The key is matching the product to the location. Margins are strong. Buy a snack for 50 cents, sell for $1.50. Specialty items? Even better. Think outside the box. Find a unique need, fill it, and watch your profits grow. Don't just follow the crowd. Look for overlooked opportunities. The right machine in the right place can be a gold mine. Modern vending is about solving problems and making life easier. The possibilities are endless, but none of it matters without the golden rule. The single most important factor in vending: location, location, location. A great machine in a bad spot won't make a dime. A basic machine in a busy spot? That's money. Look for places with a captive audience. Offices, factories, apartments, laundromats, car dealerships, hospitals. These are places where people are stuck and need convenience. To secure these spots, hustle. Make a list. Visit in person. Talk to managers. Offer a revenue sharing deal. Give them 10 to 15% of profits. It's a win-win. Avoid oversaturated places like airports and malls. Big companies dominate, and commissions eat your profit. The real gems are small to medium-sized businesses in your community. Local gyms, auto shops, colleges. These are your empire's foundation. Do your homework. Pick the right spot and you're set. The right location is everything. Now let's see how the numbers work in real life. Meet Jake, a school teacher in Austin, Texas, looking for extra income. He bought his first used snack machine for $1,200 and placed it in a busy mechanic shop. First month, 400 items sold at $1.50 each, $600 in sales. His cost? 400 items at 50 cents each, $200. Gross profit, $400 in 1 month. Jake didn't spend it. He paid himself back for the machine. In 3 months, he'd recouped his investment. After that, it was all profit. He reinvested, bought a second machine for a dance studio, then a third, then a fourth. By year's end, Jake had 4 machines making $1,600 a month, nearly $20,000 a year on top of his teaching salary. They paid off debt, started a college fund, took a real vacation. The math is simple. Find a good location, price right, reinvest profits. Start small, scale up, and watch your side hustle become a real business. Jake's story is proof you can build an empire one machine at a time. But what about the risks? Here's how to handle them. Vending isn't risk-free, but smart owners prepare. Main challenges: theft, breakdowns, and bad locations. To prevent theft, place machines in well-lit, visible areas with security cameras. Use modern machines with strong locks and cashless payments. For breakdowns, learn basic repairs. Plenty of online tutorials. Buy from reputable US dealers with warranties and have a good repair tech on call. The biggest risk? A bad location. Do your homework. Count foot traffic, talk to people, ask if they'd use a machine. If a spot isn't profitable after a few months, move the machine. Don't get stubborn. Diversify with multiple locations to protect your income. Every business has risks, but vending rewards those who plan ahead. Be proactive, not reactive. Protect your investment, and your machines will keep working for you. The right preparation turns risks into opportunities. Now, let's wrap up with your next steps. The opportunity is waiting. Are you ready to take action? Here's how to start. We've covered how a simple vending machine can become your engine for passive income. The industry is growing and the opportunity is real. Before you start, handle the basics. Check for permits, get insurance, open a business bank account, and talk to an accountant about tax benefits. Now, here's your challenge. For the next 7 days, become a vending machine scout. As you go about your week, look for overlooked spots: offices, laundromats, gyms, places with people and no snacks. Take notes, snap photos, and by week's end, you'll have a list of potential gold mines. This is your moment. Stop waiting for the perfect time. The perfect time is now. You have the knowledge and the blueprint. All that's left is to take the first step. Start small, dream big, and believe in your ability to build something for yourself and your family. The freedom you want might be hiding in a quiet humming box in the corner. Go out there and find it. Go get what's yours. Go get paid. The vending business is waiting for you. Your first $250 day could be just around the corner. Take action now. The future is yours.